on question 10, no matter what solution you got, I got to see some work. So let's pick one of our points. I like E, because they're nice small numbers. I'm going to start with E, which is at 3 and 5. If I look at my first one, I'm going to do a translation along -1, -3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then I'm going to reflect that over the x-axis. If I reflect it over the x-axis, I reflect the line y equals 0. So that would be 2 and -2. Notice that one doesn't match up, does it? Okay, let's try the next one. I'm going to take 3, 5. I'm just going to do it backwards. First, I'm going to reflect it along the x-axis. So it'll be 3 and -5. And then I'm going to translate it by -1, -3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And -5 minus 3 is -8. That seems to be the correct answer. To verify it, let's try it with 6 and 1. I don't think we have to do all three, but that would be 6 and -1. And then 6 minus 1 is 5. -1 minus 3 is -4. That checks out, doesn't it? Okay, let's try, let's go back, let's look at the third one. So 3, 5. If I do a rotation of 180 degrees, that's -3, -5. And then if I translate that by 5, -3, -3 plus 5 is 2. -5 minus 3 is -8. So we get 2, -8. Oh, that verifies from the last one, doesn't it? Okay, let's try 6, 1 just to make sure. So that'll be -6, -1. And if I add 5, I'll get -1. Uh-oh, that doesn't match up, does it? Because I'm supposed to get 5, -4. So that one does not match up. So that's why we want to check it twice. Okay, let's try our third one. I'm going to reflect it along the lines y equals x. So I'll go 3, 5. That will be 5, 3. And then I'm going to translate it by -3, 11. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 plus 11, 14. That does not match up, does it? Okay, let's try our last one. I'm going to take 3, 5. And I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. So that's -3, -5. And then I'm going to reflect it along the y-axis. So that's like x equals 0. So it'll be 3, -5. And then I'll translate it. 3 minus 1 is 2. And -5 minus 3 is -8. That doesn't match up either. Only one of them worked on this one. Okay, and that third one was kind of tricky because it works on one point, but it doesn't work on the other, so that's not correct. But you got to show work. I don't care if you have the right answer or not. I want to see how you got that.